Hi, I'm Vikas. I have 14 years of experience. So, as part of my career, I was looking to upgrade my skills and I was looking to do some data analytics course. I actually did some inquiry and research on 4 to 5 institutes within Bangalore. And after doing some research, I got to know that study analytics is offering the best course and the best attention to the students. So after joining this course, I see that the batch size is not more than 8 to 10 people, so that the trainer can give very good attention, very good the individual attention to all the people. And the course, the way the course is conducted, and the materials what has been supplied by the study analytics is very good. The trainer is giving individual attention, and wherever we have doubts, so they are actually clearing that. We have the theory session and then followed by the practical session, and we have a hands-on experience by doing the examples and the assignments what has been given at the end of the course. So I would definitely recommend people from my industry or with experience joining study analytics to do course here and actually upgrade their skills. Yeah, thank you.